Hello my dear children, good morning. Today we are going to learn about next topic carbon dioxide in where air lesson. Okay yeah. So first we want to know the formula carbon dioxide. So carbon is the symbol is C. Okay, oxygen the symbol is O, but here having dioxide. So di means two. This is the formula of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Okay. Do you understand? It is abundantly present in our atmosphere. Okay. When it is the amount of carbon dioxide is high means it will cause many harmful effect in our environment. Okay. Yeah? Do you understand, ma? Next, this physical property is tasteless, odorless and also colorless. Same as to nitrogen and also oxygen gas like. Okay. Next ma, this carbon dioxide does not get fire. Okay. It is not supporting the combustion. Okay. It is not supporting the combustion. Does not get the fire self also. Okay. So it is soluble in water. It is highly soluble in water. So carbon dioxide soluble in water to produce what? Soda water. Okay. Soda water is nothing. It is the combination of carbon dioxide and water. Okay. Okay, yeah. Do you understand, ma? Okay, ma. Next, the carbon dioxide is a reaction with some metals. Okay, here I'll take the metal sodium. Sodium. Okay, Na means sodium. Mg means magnesium. Okay, yeah? This is sodium, this is magnesium. First, sodium is combined with the carbon dioxide to form its carbonate. Okay, its carbonate means now sodium combined with the carbon dioxide to form which carbonate? Sodium carbonate. Okay, next magnesium combined with the carbon dioxide to form carbonate. Which carbonate? Magnesium carbonate. Do you understand, ma? Okay, now here how many Na is there? 4 Na. Okay, here how many carbon dioxide is there? That means 3 molecules of carbon dioxide. That means 3 number of carbon and how many number of oxygen? This 3 into this 2. 3 into 2 how much? 6. So 6 oxygen. Okay. Okay, yeah. Here see the sodium carbonate formula is Na2CO3 and liberates carbon. Okay. So sodium react with the carbon dioxide to form sodium carbonate. Okay. That's the important point. Next, here count ma. How many Na is there? Here 2 and there also 2. 2 into 2, 4 Na. Here also 4 Na. Here also 4 Na. Okay. You want to balance the equation. This is the meaning of balancing. Okay. Here how many carbon? 2 carbon. Here how many carbon? 1 carbon. So 3 carbon is over. Next, here how many oxygen? 3 into 2, 6 oxygen. Here also how many oxygen? 6 oxygen. So that is also over. Okay. Do you understand? Do you understand the balancing equations? Okay. Carefully you want to put the numbers. Okay. If you are not balancing the equation means you will never get the mark for this equation. Do you understand? Okay. Thank you. Next, magnesium is combined with the carbon dioxide to form what? Magnesium carbonate. Magnesium carbonate. Okay. Sorry ma, magnesium combined with the carbon dioxide to form magnesium oxide, not carbonate. Okay, magnesium, here not having the carbon, you know. Yes, magnesium oxide. Okay, okay, yeah? Magnesium combined with the carbon dioxide to form magnesium oxide. So here how many magnesium is there? Mg, 2 Mg. Here also 2 Mg. Okay. Here how many carbon? Only 1 carbon. Here also only 1 carbon. Here how many oxygen? 2 oxygens. Here also 2 oxygen. Okay. If you are putting the number inside, Listen ma. Example, if you are putting the number inside means that is common in both the atoms. Okay, if you putting down under the atoms means this number is only for this one, not that one. Okay, do you understand? Yes, okay. Okay ma, next listen, reaction with the sodium hydroxide. Carbon dioxide is a reaction with the sodium hydroxide. Carbon dioxide is the acid. Okay, this NaOH is base. Okay, yeah, do you understand? So, the acid is react with the base to form water, salt and water. Okay, yeah, please remember this, don't forget. Okay, reaction with the sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is base, carbon dioxide is acid. So, that form is acid or base. Acid or base mingling to form salt plus water. Okay, yeah. So, we are here, we have to take the sodium hydroxide. What is the name of this? Sodium hydroxide. Here, carbon dioxide. So, acid and base combine to form salt plus water. Okay. Here, how many Na? 2 Na. So, here also 2 Na. Here, how many oxygen? 2 Na. Here, 2 oxygen. Because 2 we are putting there. So, it is common for all the atoms. 2 hydrogen. Okay, here 1 carbon and 2 oxygen. Okay. So, Na2, this CO3. This oxygen is combined with this oxygen. This oxygen is combined with this oxygen. So, CO2 it converts because adding 1 oxygen. So, it is converts CO3. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. So, already we have 2 oxygens. Yes. This one is combined to this oxygen means it will turn CO3. So, Na2CO3. Okay. Balance what is there? H, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. So, H2O. Okay, yeah. So, reaction with NaOH, it is very important. It is the very important equation. Okay. So, base plus acid gives salt plus water. That means sodium hydroxide is combined with the carbon dioxide to form sodium carbonate and water. Okay.